welcome back to my channel Designs by Akshu, and today we are going to create a simple and easy sofa with the help of AutoCAD. As you know that we can create a 2D plan and then we can import it into SketchUp and then we can create further 3D modeling. In the same way we are going to import our this 2D sofa which we have created in AutoCAD, and then we are going to start working on its 3D basics. So this is the 2D, you can see it. We have a different type of sofa. We are going to create a new type of sofa. Its shape is going to be a little bit different. So the very first thing is you have to create its surfaces. Until and unless you don't create its particular independent surfaces, you cannot extrude and then create like its cushioning, its side pillars, its main base. So for that you need to have it separate surfaces for that. So as you can see, this is the surface, this is another surface, so we have independent each surfaces. So with the help of this, what we are going to do is we will first rotate this for the first front elevation, and then we are going to start its 3D modeling. So now first we are going to extrude, or we can say push pull, its base by pressing P. But first we are going to make it as group. So we'll press P and we'll pull it at 2 feet. Then we'll click on this surface, we'll make it as group, and even we can make it as its side plank to keep your hand or the rest. If you want to rest your hand, so these pillars are useful for that thing. In the same way you have to create such thing on the other side, but what we'll do is we'll select this one. Now I want to add some rattan net structure into it, so I'll do that thing first. So I'll press F and I'll give an offset of 1 inch, and then I'll delete this surface. So as you can see, such surface has been created. Now I'll take rectangle and I'll create such a surface that I can give rattan net texture. Okay, so I'll copy this on the other side as well. So now these are my resting box where I can rest my hands. Even I'll give an offset of 1 inch over here, a little bit depth or detail work you can say. I'll enter 0.5 inches. Yes. Now we'll work on the back portion, the resting portion. So for that you need to make it group, and I'll draw a line over here so that this part will be an independent surface. Even I'll draw a line over here. So now this is our independent surface. Now we'll make it as group and we'll press pull it at 18 mm. It will be our ply thickness of 18 mm. As you can see, this is the ply thickness, and now we have to give its cushioning. So we'll press F for offset and we'll give its cushion offset. Before that, a little bit we'll move it on the upper side and below because gaps may be visible. Just a second, I'll do it again. I'll press F, give the cushion, just bring it down, no gaps. Again select this line and move it a little bit up, and then select this portion, make it group, and then pull it at 2 or 3 inches, the thickness of your cushion. In the same way, the sitting cushion, I'll make it first group, and then I'll click P on my keyboard and then pull it out at 2 feet. Now you can see I have my sitting cushion as well as my back resting cushion. Now I'll make it soften edges This helps me to not to use the Clothworks plugin, which is charging some amount. So this is the free method to do it. Now we'll add some materials to it. So the first thing is I want to add a rattan, because I'm creating a little bit like Indian contemporary style sofa, you can say. So we'll add some rattan to it, rattan texture. As you can see, if you search such images, you can see that you have such type of sofas designed by many of the people. Okay, so we'll decrease its opacity because it's a net. So remember to decrease its opacity, and even will change its texture, height and width, because there were some lines in the image. Now it is clear. Yes, it is looking nice. Now we'll add the wooden texture of our sofa. So now I'll go into Enscape material library. I'll go into fabrics first, because we have to give even the fabric texture. So I'll select this fabric and import selection and close. Now we'll first check whether which color is very good for our fabric. So I think purple. I'll give it to my setting cushion and the resting cushion, the back resting cushion. Yes. We can change its color later on if you want to change it, that if you feel like the color is very dull. Yes, I think this color is really very good. Now we'll add the wooden laminate for our sofa. So we'll select again the wooden texture from Enscape material library. We'll select the dark wood texture. So I've selected this base and I've given it C. You don't need to enter its particular age group. So I can see a glitch surface, so I'll just repair it. It's nothing, the overlapping surfaces, if you see, such faces are been created. So I'll just clear it. Yes, it's done. So the overlapping surfaces, if you observe such surfaces, it's easy to remove, but make sure you look over from all the sides to your model so that you can clear it at the very basic time. So I have added some cushions later on. Now we'll add some texture to our cushions as well, so it will give a very nice look to our sofa. Okay, so I'll add this texture, I'll import it, and we'll close this section, and we'll give this material to our cushions. So look how beautifully it has come up. The design is looking very elegant, and even it is creating the realistic sofa feeling. It is not like a box type sofa. So this sofa we have created without the help of Clothworks. It is not necessary to buy a lot of plugins and then work with the help of plugins. You can also work with the basic parameters which are given, like line, shape, etc. Like the soften edges, if you're working on your cushioning part, you can choose to make its coplanar soft. Okay, so there is no need to buy very expensive plugins to make your detailing very detailed. You can also work within the parameters which are already default ones. So I hope you have liked this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you like my videos, please do comment me in the comment section so that I could get that motivation to create such many more videos for you. And as you can see, the sofa shape is a little bit different one. You have not seen such sofas. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.